Today, I'm going to show you how to make a killer Kickstarter video. And I don't just mean one that looks good, but one that leads to results. I'm Mark, and for the last 10 years, my company Launchboom has helped product creators raise over $175 million through crowdfunding. So I've learned not only what separates bad from good, but good from great Kickstarter videos. And I'm going to share what I've learned with you. More specifically, I'll cover the 5 essentials of a great Kickstarter video, how much a Kickstarter video costs, and hiring versus going DIY. We have a lot to go through, so let's dive in. Your Kickstarter video matters kinda a lot. It's the first thing people see when they land on your campaign page. It's your first impression. And if that video doesn't look polished, people won't trust that your product is polished either. A good video has value way beyond being just your campaign video. You can cut it up into GIFs for your campaign page. You can use it for video ads. You can repurpose it for marketing assets for e-commerce down the road. Now, understand that budgets can vary a lot for Kickstarter videos, and spending more doesn't necessarily mean that the video will actually be better. So there's definitely a budget sweet spot, which we'll talk about soon. But first, let's talk about the 5 core video essentials. The foundation of a great video is a great script. And for that reason, the 5 essentials of a great video are really just the 5 essentials of a great script. Now, there isn't one master script that works for every product, but there are 5 foundational elements that nearly every effective Kickstarter video has. Those are 1, the hook, 2, the elevator pitch, 3, feature and benefit list, 4, product summary, and 5, call to action. Let's pull up our client Loka Chai Maker's video who raised over $664,000. I'll show you how they applied all these 5 essentials to their script. Let's start with the hook.
Tired of the mess? Tired of the waiting? Tired of the cost? Or are you just tired of bad chai?
For the hook, they focused on the problem that chai drinkers face and included great imagery to complement each word of their script. Then only 7 seconds into their video, they go to the second essential, the elevator pitch.
Meet the Loka Chai Maker. Making authentic chai at home has never been this easy or this good. We've made the world's best chai user experience. It's easy, convenient, clean, and an absolute joy to use. And it makes the best homemade chai.
In 15 seconds, they presented Loka Chai as the solution to the problem presented in the hook and gave a concise elevator pitch to the audience. People who are still watching by this point believe that Loka might be the right product for them, but they just need some more information. That leads us to the 3rd essential, the feature and benefit list.
The principal obstruction to making chai at home is the mess. So we created the chai fountain, which brews from the outside to the inside and stops the boil over.
First, they focused on their main feature and showed how its design benefited users with no more messy chai. They then repeated this formula of feature and benefit for the rest of the section, going over the easy to clean ceramic coating, built-in dishwasher safe strainer, and durable construction. This all led to the 4th essential, the product summary.
In order to create the Loka Chai Maker, which helps you make the perfect cup of chai at home.
We're so excited to show you what we've created. This is going to change the chai game.
They summarize all the features and benefits they just went through with the bold statement, this is going to change the chai game. This is all building up to the 5th and final essential, the call to action.
We found a world-class manufacturing partner, we've started tooling, and now we need your orders to go into production.
So please back us now, and together, let's bring real, authentic, delicious chai to all the homes around the world.
They don't beat around the bush. They tell the viewer to back them now. You'd be surprised how effective a simple statement like back us now can be in getting someone to actually scroll down and click the back this project button. So now that you know the 5 essentials, start to outline your script using the structure. You can make your script more unique and authentic to you by adding your own brand voice, weaving in parts of your own story, or maybe even changing up who's delivering the script throughout the video. Do you like free stuff? Who doesn't like free stuff? Well, I want to give you something for free. If you want to go way deeper into how to launch a Kickstarter campaign, then you can download the audiobook version of my best-selling book, Crowdfunded. It has 4.7 out of 5 stars from 341 reviews on Amazon, where you can buy it right now, or again, you can get the audiobook version for free by clicking the link below. I hope you like it. All right, let's get back to it and answer the question, how much does a Kickstarter video cost? I called up my friend Jack, the founder of Wicked Grit, to help me answer this question. They've made videos for companies like Amazon and Belkin, plus tons of Kickstarter videos, so he knows what he's talking about. Here's what Jack had to say about the sweet spot for budget.
Our range of projects usually range from 6,000 all the way up to 25,000, and we've done projects within that whole range, all the way up to the top. I'd say a fair range is like the 10 to 15K mark. And that's usually like kind of the sweet spot as far as like making a video and what we've seen.
So most campaigns they work with are spending between between $10,000 to $15,000 on their video, what Jack calls the sweet spot. But I also wanted to know what things would make a video cost more. Here's what Jack had to say.
If your product requires a complex location to be filmed in, that is something that will drive budget. The type of product you have also sort of dictates budget. If you have a more technology-oriented product, which requires sort of more of an explaining, breakdown using app and graphics, that sort of drives budget. If it's sort of a simple product that doesn't require as much explaining, you can sort of get away with a smaller budget video from an effectiveness standpoint. And obviously graphics. We've had projects where we need to use graphics to sort of like hit out some key points that like are really hard to sort of communicate visually.
Now, I imagine some of you watching are thinking that this $10,000 to $15,000 sweet spot is still way out of your budget. So I also asked Jack how product creators could get the budget lower if they needed to.
We have had situations where like client will provide us footage they shoot. If they're really sort of strapped for budget, the 6-figure option is sort of like something we do where it's like, hey, you send us the footage and we kind of put something together.
All right, so now you have an idea of how much a video typically costs and what drives those costs. But how do you actually go about hiring someone to help you with this video, and what things can you do yourself? All right, so let's start off with the easiest option if you have the budget. The first option is to hire a full service video production agency. Call up Jack at Wicked Grit. You'll probably pay $10,000 to $15,000 and they'll take care of everything for you, saving you time and potential costs over the long run as you get it done right the first time and can even reuse the assets over the long term. Second, DIY plus freelancers. This is where you can piecemeal things together. Maybe you write the script, you hire a freelance videographer to shoot it, you go on sites like Upwork to find a video editor, you go to voices.com to hire a VO artist. This could be a way to save some cost, but you'll definitely have to spend more time and could run into some issues along the way. The last way is to go 100% DIY. For shooting, you want to consider the following. Use your phone and shoot horizontal. Now, up until recently, I shot all of my YouTube videos using this iPhone 14 Pro, so it's definitely possible. Buy a cheap tripod to keep the shot stable, get a cheap softbox light, and buy an affordable lav microphone like this one right here. Good audio is actually even more important than good video quality, so you'll want to make sure you sound good. For editing, you can use free or low-cost editing software like iMovie, CapCut, or DaVinci. Assuming you have very little experience in video production or editing, going 100% DIY can definitely be a little risky because you'll just have to learn so much. Still, with that said, it can be done. So if it's your only option, I'd say go for it. So if you want to go even deeper into all the things Kickstarter and crowdfunding, remember you can get a free audiobook version of my best-selling book Crowdfunded. Just click the link below and tell me where to send it. Also, if you got any value from this video, click that like button and save it and subscribe for more stuff like this. All right, I'll see you in the next one.